Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you the index of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023. Chapter 1 Preliminary, Section 1 Short Title Extent and Commencement, 2nd Definitions, 3 Construction of References, 4 Trial of Offences under Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 and Other Laws, 5 Saving, Chapter 2 Constitution of Criminal Courts and Offices, 6 Classes of Criminal Courts, 7 Territorial Divisions, 8 Court of Session, 9 Courts of Judicial Magistrates, 10 Chief Judicial Magistrate and Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate, etc. 11 Special Judicial Magistrates, 12 Local jurisdiction of judicial magistrates, 13 Subordination of judicial magistrates, 14 Executive magistrates, 15 Special executive magistrates, 16 Local jurisdiction of executive magistrates, 17 Subordination of executive magistrates, 18 Public prosecutors, 19 Assistant public prosecutors, 20 Directorate of prosecution. Chapter 3 Power of Court, 21 Courts by which offences are triable, 22 Sentences which High Courts and Session Judges may pass, 23 Sentences which Magistrates may pass, 24 Sentence of imprisonment in default of fine, 25 Sentence in cases of conviction of several offences at one trial, 26 Mode of conferring powers, 27 Powers of officers appointed, 28 Withdrawal of powers, 29 Powers of judges and magistrates exercisable by their successor in office. Chapter 4 Powers of superior officers of police and aid to the magistrates and the police. 30 Powers of superior officers of police. 31 Public when to assist magistrates and police. 32 Aid to person other than police officer executing warrant. 33 Public to give information of certain offences. 34 Duty of officers employed in connection with affairs of a village to make certain report. Chapter 5 Arrest of persons. 35 When police may arrest without warrant. 36 Procedure of arrest and duties of officer making arrest. 37 Designated police officer. 38 Right of arrested person to meet an advocate of his choice during interrogation. 39 Arrest on refusal to give name and residence. 40 Arrest by private person and procedure on such arrest. 41 Arrest by magistrate. 42 Protection of members of armed forces from arrest. 43 Arrest how made. 44 Search of place entered by a person sought to be arrested. 45 Pursuit of offenders into other jurisdictions. 46 No unnecessary restraint. 47 Person arrested to be informed of grounds of arrest and of right to bail. 48 Obligation of person making arrest to inform about arrest, etc. to relative or friend. 49 Search of arrested person. 50 Power to seize offensive weapons. 51 Examination of accused by medical practitioner at request of officer. 52 Examination of a person accused of rape by medical practitioner. 53 Examination of arrested person by medical officer. 54 Identification of person arrested. 55 Procedure when police officer deputes subordinate to arrest without warrant. 56 Health and safety of arrested person. 57 Person arrested to be taken before magistrate or officer in charge of police station. 58 Person arrested not to be detained more than 24 hours. 59 Police to report apprehensions. 60 Discharge of person apprehended. 61 Power on escape to pursue and retake. 62 Arrest to be made strictly according to Sanhita. Chapter 6 Process to compel appearance. 63 Form of summons. 64 Summons house served. 65 Service of summons on corporate bodies, firms and societies. 66 Service when persons summoned cannot be found. 67 Procedure when service cannot be effected as before provided. 68 Service on government servant. 69 Service of summons outside local limits. 70 Proof of service in such cases when serving officer not present. 71 Service of summons on witness. 72 Form of warrant of arrest and duration. 73 Power to direct security to be taken. 74 Warrants to whom directed. 75 Warrant may be directed to any person. 76 Warrant directed to police officer. 77 Notification of substance of warrant. 78 Person arrested to be brought before court without delay. 79 Where warrant may be executed. 80 Warrant forwarded for execution outside jurisdiction. 81 Warrant directed to police officer for execution outside jurisdiction. 82 Procedure on arrest of person against whom warrant issued. 83. Procedure by magistrate before whom such person arrested is brought. 84. Proclamation of person absconding. 85. Attachment of property of person absconding. 86. Identification and attachment of property of proclaimed person. 87. Claims and objections to attachment. 88. Release, sale and restoration of attached property. 89. Appeal from order rejecting application for restoration of attached property. 90. Issue of warrant in lieu of or in addition to summons. 91. Part to take bond or bail bond for appearance. 92. Arrest on breach of bond or bail bond for appearance. 93. Provisions of this chapter generally applicable to summons and warrants of arrest. Chapter 7. Processes to compel the production of things. 94. Summons to produce document or other thing. 95. Procedure as to letters. 96. When search warrant may be issued. 97. Search of place suspected to contain stolen property, forged documents, etc. 98. Part to declare certain publications forfeited and to issue search warrants for same. 99. Application to High Court to set aside declaration of forfeiture. 100. Search for persons wrongfully confined. 101. Part to compel restoration of abducted females. 102. Direction etc. of search warrants. 103. Persons in charge of close place to allow search. 104. Disposal of things found in search beyond jurisdiction. 105. Recording of search and seizure through audio, video, electronic means. 106. Power of police officer to seize certain property. 107. Attachment, forfeiture or restoration of property. 108. Magistrate may direct search in his presence. 109. Power to impound document etc. produced. 110. Reciprocal arrangements regarding processes. Chapter 8. Reciprocal arrangements for assistance in certain matters and procedure for attachment and forfeiture of property. 111. Definitions. 112. Letter of request to competent authority for investigation in a country or place outside India. 113. Letter of request from a country or place outside India to a court or an authority for investigation in India. 113. Letter of request from a country or place outside India to a court or an authority for investigation in India. 114. Assistance in securing transfer of persons. 115. Assistance in relation to orders of attachment or forfeiture of property. 116. Identifying unlawfully acquired property. 117. Seizure or attachment of property. 118. Management of property seized or forfeited under this chapter. 119. Notice of forfeiture of property. 120. Forfeiture of property in certain cases. 121. Fine in lieu of forfeiture. 122. Certain transfers to be null and void. 123. Procedure in respect of letter of request. 124. Application of this chapter. Chapter 9. Security for keeping the peace and for good behavior. 125. Security for keeping peace on conviction. 126. Security for keeping peace in other cases. 127. Security for good behavior from persons disseminating certain matters. 128. Security for good behavior from suspected persons. 129. Security for good behavior from habitual offenders. 130. Order to be made. 131. Procedure in respect of person present in court. 132. Summons or warrant in case of person not so present. 133. Copy of order to accompany summons or warrant. 134. Power to dispense with personal attendance. 135. Inquiry as to truth of information. 136. Order to give security. 137. Discharge of person informed against. 138. Commencement of period for which security is required. 139. Contents of bond. 140. Power to reject sureties. 141. Imprisonment in default of security. 142. Power to release persons imprisoned for failing to give security. 143. Security for unexpired period of bond. Chapter 10. Order for maintenance of wives, children and parents. 144. Order for maintenance of wives, children and parents. 145. Procedure. 146. Alteration in allowance. 147. Enforcement of order of maintenance. Chapter 11. Maintenance of public order and tranquility. 148. Dispersal of assembly by use of civil force. 149. Use of armed forces to disperse assembly. 150. Power of certain armed force officers to disperse assembly. 151. Protection against prosecution for acts done under sections 148, 149 and 150. 152. Conditional order for removal of nuisance. 153. Service or notification of order. 154. Person to whom order is addressed to obey or show cause. 155. Penalty for failure to comply with section 154. 156. Procedure where existence of public right is denied. 157. Procedure where persons against whom order is made under section 152 appears to show cause. 158 Power of magistrate to direct local investigation and examination of an expert. 159 Power of magistrate to furnish written instructions, etc. 160 Procedure on order being made absolute and consequences of disobedience. 161 Injunction pending inquiry. 162 Magistrate may prohibit repetition or continuance of public nuisance. 163 Power to issue order in urgent cases of nuisance or apprehended danger. 164 Procedure where dispute concerning land or water is likely to cause breach of peace. 165 Power to attach subject of dispute and to appoint receiver. 166 Dispute concerning right of use of land or water. 167 Local inquiry. Chapter 12 Preventive action of the police. 168 Police to prevent cognizable offences. 169 Information of design to commit cognizable offences. 170 Arrest to prevent commission of cognizable offences. 171 Prevention of injury to public property. 172 Persons bound to conform to lawful directions of police. Chapter 13 Information to the police officer and their powers to investigate. 173 Information in cognizable cases. 174 Information as to non-cognizable cases and investigation of such cases. 175 Police officers' power to investigate cognizable case. 176 Procedure for investigation. 177 Report how submitted. 178 Power to hold investigation or preliminary inquiry. 179 Police officers' power to require attendance of witnesses. 180 Examination of witnesses by police. 181 Statement to police and use thereof. 182 No inducement to be offered. 183 Recording of confessions and statements. 184 Medical examination of victim of rape. 185 Search by police officer. 186 When officer in charge of police station may require another to issue search warrant. 187 Procedure when investigation cannot be completed in 24 hours. 188 Report of investigation by subordinate police officer. 189 Release of accused when evidence deficient. 190 Cases to be sent to magistrate when evidence is sufficient. 191 Complainant and witnesses not to be required to accompany police officer and not to be subject to restraint. 191 Complainant and witnesses not to be required to accompany police officer and not to be subject to restraint. 192 Diary of proceedings in investigation. 193 Report of police officer on completion of investigation. 194 Police to inquire and report on suicide, etc. 195 Power to summon persons. 196 Inquiry by magistrate into cause of death. So friends, this is all about the index of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023. Sections 1 to 196, chapter 1 to 13. For the videos on the next sections, please continue to part 2. Thank you for watching my channel and please subscribe for watching more videos.